Alright, bro. Let me do. I've already imported all the files that I use. There are some of them or one of them that is not here. The lady at the ending right hand side. So I want to use another image. I searched for it and I couldn't see it. Maybe it's somewhere else. So first thing that we're going to use. Let me hide this one. So I was able to import my background. Sorry, let me lock the faces so you'll be able to see it very well. So I was able to import my first background. I was able to, yeah, this first one. I was able to import this. Then what I did was that I went to a website. I'm going to drop the website to you. So you go and type your text there. So then you choose the kind of image that you want. So I import. After I did that, I typed text. So I was able to save it as PNG. So I was able to save it as PNG. So after I finished typing it, so then I selected, then I imported right here. So I imported and I place it at the middle here. So the next thing I did was that I was able to bring this young guy here. So this, sorry, let me lock this one. No, let me lock this one. Yeah. So I was able to do. There is an application that I use to blend this background. That you see that is inside the main background. So I use another application to blend it. I'm going to tell you the name of the application so that you can get it. So I took this one up a little bit, expanded. Then I use color filter to change it to the navy blue pattern. So I put it at 20, the saturation 20, the brightness at 75, and the other one I was able to put it at 0. So what I did next was I was able to reduce the opacity to 60, or you can reduce it to maybe 40. So let's just leave it at 40. So then I lock it also. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open this one. Then the next thing I'm going to do, let me take the text up a little bit. So we're going to arrange it based on the way it is in the original one. So I made a video on how I managed to reduce or remove the black background and to give it a normal shape and graphics stuff. So for tutorial sake, I'm going to do it here also so that you can see it. So we're not going to remove the white. It's not the white that we want, it's the black. So I'm going to select black, activate. Don't worry, we're going to remove the white background soon. So I started to keep it here a little bit. Yeah. Let me use it again. Good. Then I lock it. Then I take it down. Take it downward. Then I was able to bring this young lady out. So after I bring her up, okay. So then I started to keep her at the back of the shape. So I reduce it a little bit. Then I use max to remove the background. So you come over here, you shift it, then you come over here, you select the side that you want to remove. Very good. Then you remove the side that you don't want. Then you press plus, this plus icon. Then you move it again, move it, then you bring it back. Sorry for the distraction. Sorry for the distraction. Let me. Okay. Then. Okay. Then I'll select the side also. So you can touch the white, but make sure you don't touch the the picture inside. Then you press OK, then you are done. So that's how you do to other ones. That's how you do to the other ones. You bring it out, take it down, take this one down, yeah, down again, down to the last one. Okay, then you reduce the opacity, the level. Good. Then you make sure you touch the image. Then you go to your max again. You do the same thing that you did with the other one. And you arrange it. Take this one up. Cut the side that we don't want. Yeah, turn that off for now. Okay. Then you do the same thing to others. Sorry, let me fast forward it. Let me skip those ones for the sake of data. So I don't want your data to be much. So let me just post it so that I'll do the remaining one. Then we'll proceed. So I'm still on it. Let me block it also. So I'll take this young lady here also and place her at the downside. Then popping up a little bit. So I'll use the max also. Let me move it here to separate her from the real shape there. So then I'll lock our own picture also to avoid distraction. And the last one, we're going to bring this lady here. Remember I said I was looking for the other lady and I don't know, maybe she traveled. I couldn't see her picture. So I'll use another one for tutorial. To take her to the bottom of the other ones. Okay, then good. Sorry. Good. So once you are done with it, something is missing. Something is missing. I don't know. Sorry, there's something. Something is showing at the other side. Let me check it. Yeah, I've seen who is behind that. So this young guy here. If you check at the top, there's something there. So let me use max. So sorry, let me go back. So you're done with this, after you're done with this, then you bring this young man, you reduce opacity a little bit. Okay, then you're good to go. So we said we don't want the white background, and we don't want it. So we're going to remove it now. So what you will do, you join the images together with the background. You mark the background and the images, you match them together. Please don't touch the first one, the second one. The third one is just to look at how it is. So we're going to join it together. We're going to join it together. Then what we're going to do now, you take it up, or let's finish what we are doing first. We go to your erase color, we erase the white, bring it up. You see some parts are off because they are carrying white background, the teeth and some white side there. So what you will do now to settle this is you go to shape, you go to shape. Before that, I think I missed something. Sorry. Sorry. We'll still merge it together. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to change the color of the skin. Color of the skin. Going to change the color of the skin. This one also, our skin. This young man here, the skin also. And this lady also, her skin will go, while the other one also, her skin will go. Her skin will also go. So we're going to match them together now. No, they'll go. They'll go together. So we have this. Now we're going to remove the background, the white background there. Okay, this is where I stopped. So to settle this man teeth and the other lady's scarf, we're going to shape. Go to shape, then make it round. Okay, make it round. Then we take the shape back on the. You see, his teeth is back. So you do the same. You do the same to this other lady. You take it. You do it like this. So let me take it back. Now you shift it a little bit. Then you have it. The young I didn't copy it. Sorry, let me copy it. Take it down. There you are. So you have it now. So what you're going to do now is you match these two with this one. In order to settle those white background that went off. So you have this already. So you fix it up where you want it. So you fix it up. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to take it to PixArt. You go to import, make it ultra, then you save it. So we're going to PixArt now. We're going to PixArt. So we're in PixArt now. So what we're going to do now, we'll share it to PixArt. So we'll share it there. So it will upload. Yeah, it will upload. There you have it. Then you go to add photo. Go to add photo. You're going to import this flay. You're going to import this flay. Then you turn it. You turn it the way you want it. Then you go to blend. You see blend there. You put it on screen. Then you arrange it based on the way you want it. Based on the way you want it. Then you come over here. You double tap it, duplicate, bring it here also, double type, duplicate, you bring it here, you understand, you double tap, also duplicate, then you bring it here, then you double tap again, duplicate, you bring it here at a last side, then you double tap again, you duplicate, then you bring it at the last edge here. There you have it. So it is set already. It is set for you. So what you're going to do now, you're going to save it. You're going to then, after you press the good side, then you're going to bring the next image or images there also. We're going to bring the next image that we use. This one, we are able to use this one and also this one. Then you bring them in. So we're going to work on this one first. It will go to the text. You go to the blending side also, as I said, screen. This one also, you go to the other one, screen. So we're going to you're going to select it and put it at overlay. You not put it at screen level. So overlay, you use the overlay for the text, for the blue one, overlay. So once you select it there, then you use this cleaner up here, then you come to eraser, you reduce opacity, the hardness, you reduce it, then you use your two hands to draw it, then you clean it, clean it, those parts that she doesn't want, so clean it. So there you have it. So you move this one now to the side, then you increase it, uh, let's take it here, double tap it. Okay, we're out of duplication, so yeah, very good. So this is how I managed to have the large flay and the other ones. So what I'm going to do now next, I'll save it, then I'll press this arrow icon below, then it will save. So now I'll go back to my PixArt now, my PixArt, then I'll bring the other one. Let me Then I'll bring the one I worked on PixArt. So I'll cover the other one. I'll cover it. So I don't want it anymore. So I'm going to remove it. So I'm going to work on this one, only this one. I'll work it. So the next thing I'm going to do now, we're going to bring the round shape. The round shape. Let me skip it. Let me look for it. So I was able to bring this one also. This downside here. Okay. Yeah. Let me centralize it. Okay. Then I'll look it up. Then and I was able to let me so I brought this background also, then I removed the white background, adjust it a little bit, then I smooth it a little bit, so I was able to have this. Then this will be for the team. Sorry, I import the one I did so that I will not skip anything, so that everything will be intact for you. So I decided to bring it low here. Then the other one, let me import the other ones also. So I did the same thing. I removed the white background, then I was able to update. So I bring it down here, I increase it a little bit, I put it here. So then I decided to, yeah. So let's shoot this one a little bit, centralize it, bring this one up, down, slide down. Okay. So I copied this one. Then I use 3D tone. Turn it side. Then I change the color to green. To green. To green. So I will use it. This one will serve for the ministers. So I will able to put it here. So I put it right here. Right here. So then the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to type. So I'm going to type those things. Then let me just do it straightforward. Then I type my first letter here quickly. My battery is running out. T. Then I bring it down here. Normal font. I use the normal font here. So I'll bring it here. I'll bring it here. So the font down a little bit. Let's reduce it a little bit. 40. Then we'll adjust it. Okay. Then the next one, we're going to copy the text and write, and then this is view later. View later. Then okay. Then we're going to change the font. So for the font, I use this Coluna. This Coluna over here. You see Coluna? So I use Coluna for the font. Then I little bit enlarge it. A little bit enlarge it. So I use stroke to brighten the color. I use blue. I use navy blue. Navy blue. But once you see it, you will not you think as if it's normal. It's normal blue. So it's navy blue. Sorry, let me insert my earpiece. So once you insert it, you think as if it's navy blue. So you centralize it a little bit to bring it to the middle. So we're going to copy the text again. Copy the text, then true. We're going to type true. Then capitalize it, bring it down, we enlarge it. We enlarge it a little bit, then bring it side. Okay. And the next thing we're going to do now, we copy the text again, then we'll type worshippers. Type worshippers. 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 worship us. Then you bring it down, bring it down a little bit. You bring it down a little bit. Then you arrange it. So, sorry, let's take your side to the right once again. Okay, little bit. Good. So we're going to type the dates 11 August, 11th of August, 11th August 2024. Bring it down, reduce it. Reduce it. Reduce it. Then 2 p.m. daily. You're going to type 2 p.m. daily. Copy, edit. 2 p 2 p.m. daily. Capitalize. Sorry. Then you bold it. So you take it to the other side. You can reduce it, you can increase it. 2 p.m. prompt. Then what you're going to do now is you're going to copy this minute string. You bring it to the other side. Then yeah. So then you start arranging the churches at the other side, the lower side. You start arranging it, typing the names and the churches, everything. So once you're done, so before that, let me bring this white color below. Sorry, I mean the lights below. I'm not going to use this one here. So I'm going to bring it down. So let me fast forward it. Or let me skip it. So are able to have this. So so remember I said you're going to type those churches at the right hand side. Those churches, you write their name and the venue. So you're going to save it now. You save it. So once you save it, you have done it. You have already saved everything. So I'll type it, then I'll save it. So uh, so I've already typed it and upload the logo of the church. The present is there. I use normal font for present, so I was able to type and use ship for the below one, then location, and I use the light flay at the downside close to the location icon. So how I manage to blend the background, that's what I'm going to show you now. So you go and share it to Snapseed. So you move it to Snapseed, then you go to details. You increase the details. You tap this one again, you take it down, you level the shape upward. You understand? then you press your OK, then there you have it. You can choose to add more. You can choose anyhow you want it. You can choose to increase it. So you can increase it the way you want it. Then you save it. Then you are done. You are done with it. So there you have it. There you have it. And you have got. So let me explain something here. If you look the other one, because of the data and the we have 31 minutes here on this video, so I don't want it to be too lengthy, too like wide, and so after you have select everything there, you have already typed everything, you have done everything there inside the Pixel app as I said. So let me use this one. I've not done any makeup here. So this was the one I was working on. So this was one I did, but I didn't apply any smoothness, any layer brightness. So I was able to use this one for the brightness. So we import it as I said the other time. You come to Pixel app, to Snapseed. You see it's there. If you look at the other image there, it was the one I used before. So you can this one is just for smoothing and final touches as I said the other time. So so that you're not reasoning it that I didn't follow the other one. So you expand it, the lights are this thing, go to sharp, you sharp it 200, and you save it, you go to details again, then you brightening it a little by a little, then you turn it side, then you will have it. So I was able to use the other one. I've already imported on Pixel after typing. So I decided to import it. So after I import it, export it, so to say, then I decided to move it to Snapseed. You get. So for me to this was the one I was doing. So for me to save the data and the much this thing, so I decided to skip this one. You see, I followed the normal side, so I was able to export it, then import the image to Snapseed, then tools, details, then you add, you reduce, you add, you reduce, you go to the next one again, you add, you reduce. So that is how I managed to get the same design that I did. Thank you for watching. If you have any correction, any questions, so to say, you can drop it on my WhatsApp as usual. Thank you.